Welcome to Drax Hall Estate. This is an extraordinary opportunity in one of Jamaica's most desirable gated communities. Set on over an acre of prime real estate in beautiful Saint, and this is more than just a property. It's a lifestyle investment. Picture waking up to the sound of a river flowing directly through your land and out into the Caribbean Sea. It offers the rare luxury of privacy, space, and endless possibility, all within the prestigious Drax Hall grounds. As a resident, you'll enjoy private access to two exclusive beaches, the Cove at Drax Hall and Marina Villa Beach. This is resort-style living without the resort crowds. The lot is fully enclosed, with electricity and water already in place. It currently features a completed container home, plus an additional container for storage or future expansion. Move in today, start generating rental income, or begin designing the custom luxury villa you've always envisioned. With over 50,000 square feet of land, your options are truly expansive. Located just minutes from Ocho Rios, you are moments away from world-class dining, shopping, and major North Coast developments. This is a location that continues to appreciate year after year. Whether you are building a dream Caribbean home, creating a high-demand retreat, or securing a long-term investment, this property delivers on both lifestyle and value. Offered at $720,000 US, opportunities featuring river access, beach privileges, and significant acreage inside a gated community are incredibly rare. Now is the time to secure your place in one of Jamaica's most sought-after corridors. This isn't just land. It's a legacy. For more information, contact licensed realtor DuWayne McPherson at 876-281-8476 or visit DuWayneMcPhersonRealestate.com.